Hello everyone. Today we will discuss isomerism. Word isomerism is composed of two words. Iso means same or equal. Meros means part. It means it is just equal parts. When you are going to define the term isomerism, it clearly indicates that whenever any compound, more than one compound having same molecular formula but different structural formula, and due to this difference in their structural formula they have different physical and chemical properties. This phenomena is called isomerism, and those compounds are called isomers. When you are going to classify this isomerism, it can be classified into two parts: the structural isomerism, and next one is stereo isomerism. Today we are going to concentrate ourselves on structural isomerism. This structural isomerism can further be classified into chain isomerism, then position isomerism, metamerism, then tautomerism, then functional group isomerism, and next one is, this one is functional group, and here you are having ring chain isomerism. This ring chain isomerism can also be referred as a special case of this chain isomerism. One by one, we will going to discuss this different type of structural isomerism. Now we are coming up to chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. By the word chain, it is very much clear that whenever a molecule is having same molecular formula but different chain length, there is difference in chain length. For example, when you are going to consider isomers of butane, C4H10, all four carbon can link in normal chain, so that we will get this structure, and this is normal butane. But here you can have another structure. Here this iso group is there. This is isobutane. These are two isomers of butane. When you are going to have for C5H12, one is normal chain, and then you are having here iso, and another one is neo. This one is normal pentane, this one is isopentane, and this one is neopentane. When you are going to increase number of carbon atom, chain isomer will also increase. Now we are going to consider next isomer. This one is position isomerism. By the word position, it is clear that whenever you are having change in position of a particular group in either cyclic compound or in open chain compound. Here, this is due to different position of a particular substituent or group. For example, let's consider this compound 1-chloropropane. Here chlorine is at first carbon and when you are going to change position of this chlorine at second carbon atom, we are having here 2-chloropropane. It means here isomerism is due to difference in position of chlorine. Similarly, you can have in case of alcohol also. This one is normal propyl alcohol, propanol 1 you can say, propanol 1, and here you are having propanol 2. Again, change in position of OH group. Not only this, let's consider you are having this cyclic compound. OH is there, CH3, OH with respect to this at meta position, OH, and here it is at para position. This is orthomethyl phenol, paramethyl, metamethyl phenol. This one is paramethyl phenol. Orthomethyl phenol. This one is meta, this one is para. Here there is difference in position of OH group and methyl. Their relative position differs, due to which they possess position isolation. Now there will be number of examples in which position of a particular substituent or group may change. Now we are coming up to metamerism. In metamerism, along a bivalent or trivalent atom, alkyl chain differs. Due to difference in alkyl chain along a bivalent or trivalent atom, metamers are formed. This occurs in the same family. For example, when you are going to consider ether, let's consider this is diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. IUPAC name of this compound will be ethoxyethane. When you are going to change alkyl, we are having methyl propyl ether. Methyl propyl ether. Here, along this oxygen, both side ethyl group is there, ethyl, ethyl. In this one side methyl, one side propyl group is there. This is due to difference in alkyl chain along bivalent oxygen atom. Similarly, when you are having sulfur, thioether, in thioether only, you will be having here sulfur, here again sulfur, and in that case, name of this compound will be diethyl thioether. thioether, and this one is methyl propyl thioether. Here again, along bivalent sulfur, alkyl chain changes. Again, when you are going to consider amines, let's consider this butanamine. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom, butane, then amine is there. This is butanamine. Now, when you are going to change it in this is N-methyl propanamine in longest possible carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, only 3 carbon atom. This one is N-methyl propanamine. Here along nitrogen, alkyl chain changes. Not only this, you can have this compound also. Here N-dimethyl ethanamine. N-dimethyl ethanamine. These are examples of metabolites. Now we are coming up to tautomerism. Normally, tautomerism occurs in molecules having multiple bonds. For example, let's consider you are having acetone. This one is acetone or propanone. Here oxygen is more electronegative as compared to this carbon. Therefore, there is possibility that this oxygen will withdraw bond pair electron towards itself. A negative charge will be developed here, a positive charge will be developed here. As a result, one hydrogen from alpha position may shift to more electronegative oxygen. As a result, there is formation of double bond here, then CH, and here OH, then C only. Here in and all. This is called enolic form, enol form, and this is keto form. Therefore, this tautomerism is also known as keto-enol tautomerism. This one is tautomerism. Here again, you can have some more example. Let's consider this H is there. From this carbon atom, again it will shift. One hydrogen will migrate and there is formation of enolic form. Now, in both the cases, you can easily observe that one side arrow is larger as compared to other side. This indicates that the keto form is more stable as compared to enolic form. In acetone, it is less than 0.1%. 0.1% whereas this keto form is more than 99.9%. But when you are going to have the same ketoenol tartamate in S2-acetic ester, it is about 9 to 10% enolic form. It means in complex molecules, in larger molecules where number of alpha hydrogens are there, number of electron withdrawing groups are there, in that case enolic form may, percentage of enolic form may increase.